What if you married and she moved into a separate apartment, wants only money and gives nothing? Well, if a woman moves into a separate apartment, by the way, when relationship is not working, distance heals. Where's my rubber thing? It's not here. Okay. Oh, here it is. So when you guys in a relationship where relationship gets to the point where you're volatile, you're angry, you scream or you argue, that means you're way too comfortable with each other, and distance heal. And so if she's in a separate apartment, it's not a bad thing. But you see, your idea, she wants only money. I will be honest with you, I'll share something. 5 years ago, my husband and I, we gone through some kind of, not even argument, it was a breakdown. Oh, I remember. We were discussing our son's education. And I believed that he had to be homeschooled. And he's like, no, we're going to find him a private school. And so we were not getting along on this topic. And I took it really to the heart and I got upset with him. And I didn't even talk for 2 or 3 days with him. And that was the only time when I didn't talk to my husband for so long. And 3 days later, he got so hurt. He came to me and he said, Alisa, you want to divorce me? You want to separate with me because you're not talking to me for so long? And I said, no, honey, obviously not. I was just very hurt and we talked about it. But what he said afterwards, and he said, Alisa, even if you ever gonna separate from me, even if you ever gonna divorce me, I promise you that I will always take care of you and Alexei. I was shocked. I said, well, first of all, we will never divorce. I don't believe in divorce. He said, I don't believe in divorce either. And I said, we're always gonna work things out. But his thought of saying to me that I will always have your back, even if we're gonna divorce, even if we're gonna separate, gave me such a confidence that he loves me, even if we're gonna break up, even if we're gonna go separate ways. And that's how men's supposed to have their woman back. And so, my friends, don't be afraid to provide and protect, even if you go through breakdowns, even if you're fighting, even if you're separated, even if you are divorced. Because when you are divorced and you're still taking care of your wife, ex-wife, and your children, your wife gonna come to a conclusion that it was the worst decision that she made by divorcing you. Be generous, be kind, be humble, don't be greedy. That's what I'm trying to say. It's okay. The more you're going to provide for her while you're in a separation, the more and faster she's going to realize that she made the biggest mistake. Have a dignity.